Cone. A cone is a three-dimensional geometric shape that resembles a solid figure with a flat, circular base and a single curved surface that tapers to a point called the apex or vertex.
There are two main types of cones based on the orientation of their axis. Right circular cone. In a right circular cone, the axis is perfectly aligned with the center of the circular base. This means that the axis passes through the center of the circular base at a right angle, 90 degrees, to the plane of the base. Oblique cone. An oblique cone is one in which the axis is not aligned with the center of the circular base. In this case, the axis does not pass through the center of the base and is not perpendicular to the base's plane. In this video we will be dealing with right circular cone. Axis of cone, a line that passes through the vertex and center of the circular base. Generator of cone. The term generator of a cone typically refers to a line segment or a straight line that, when rotated about the axis of the cone, generates the entire three-dimensional shape of the cone.
This is the axis of cone and this one is the generator of the cone. When the generator is rotated 360 degrees around the axis while keeping one end fixed at the apex, it traces the entire surface of the cone.
Circle. A circle is formed when the cutting plane is parallel to the base of the cone or perpendicular to the axis of cone. It is defined as the set of all points that are equidistant from a central point called the center. Ellipse. An ellipse is formed when the cutting plane intersects the cone, but it is not parallel to the base. In this case, the angle made by intersecting plane is greater than semi-vertical angle but not equal to 90 degrees. Parabola. A parabola is formed when the cutting plane is parallel to the generator of the cone. In this case, the angle made by intersecting plane is equal to the semi-vertical angle. Hyperbola. A hyperbola is formed when the cutting plane intersects both halves of the cone and is not parallel to the base. In this case, angle made by intersecting plane is less than semi-vertical angle. The intersecting plane may be parallel to the axis of cone or perpendicular to the base of cone.
Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please do subscribe and hit the like button.